Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for your lovely wishes and blessings. I feel blessed to have such people around me. And when I talk about my 24th wedding anniversary, yes, I have grown by 24 years in my life together with my life partner, my wife, and I'm really pleased and I'm happy to share that I have gone through again multiple stages of my life. My kids have grown up, now they are into their adulthood, and I have a great learnings towards my own life with my own experiences and with the people like you around me wishing and giving lovely wishes and blessings. I really feel elevated. So I feel goosebumps, right? And at times I feel tears in my eyes when I see that there are so many people loving me. Now, when I talk about this companionship and business, I think this is all together leading towards one goal of having a beautiful life together. Am I right? Whether it is your life, relationship, or whether it is your business, if these things are going well, obviously we'll have enjoyment in our life, and that is what the end purpose is. And once that end purpose is met, then we think about contribution to the world, individual, society, and everything. So now, when I talk all about, I'm going to tell you why I created this and what are things which are included inside this offer, which I call it offer forever. So as the name suggests, and I say that this long 24 years of togetherness has given me immense strength, knowledge, experience, along with my personal life in my business as well. I'm 24 years old in my business as well as my professional career. I started in around 2001, right? I completed my engineering, and immediately from there, it's been mixed of my job experience working in multinational companies, corporates, and doing different roles and profiles in sales, marketing, production, everything. When I talk about coaching and entrepreneurship, it's been 14 years. More than 3.5 years is my own coaching business. So all things put together, I was analyzing that what should I do special for my people. And I found that what people are lagging is accountability. What people are lagging is proper support in the right time. They don't know which step to take at what stage of their business, right? So keeping all this together, I have made this offer forever, which includes everything which you need to become successful in your coaching business. So I'm not just talking about, I have a detailed analysis and the, I would not say benefits and features. I have incorporated each and everything which is required for you to be successful in your coaching business, and I'll be standing by you. I'll be standing along with you. So this is not going to be your business only. It's going to be now my business, and that is why I have been limited to this numbers, with very little number, because I cannot have 100 business running together. So limited resources, limited time even I have. So I have to choose very limited people who are really committed. Yes, I'm going to be accountable. You have to be equally responsible and even doubly responsible, because if you don't take that responsibility, nobody can help you. So I'm going to give you my accountability, my hand, my shoulder along with you to keep running. And if you ask, I'll give you one of my legs also to run together. But the thing is, you need to run along with me. Thank you so much. This is just a synopsis of what I'm doing, what is there in my mind. And I look forward to your feedback. And I'd love to meet all of you with this ambition in your mind that this business has to be successful. Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to it. Bye.